Attention homeowners and home buyers, big news. Closing cost credits are back and this could mean serious savings for you. So here's the deal. On September 18th, the Fed made its first rate cut in over 4 years. And it wasn't just a small cut, it was 0.5%. This is huge because something called the spread will start to improve. As the spread improves, risk goes down, which means there's extra money on the table. So now you can go back and ask your lender, hey, can I get some credits to cover my closing costs? This can help reduce the out-of-pocket expenses when you buy or even refinance your home. With this rate cut, mortgage rates are set to get better, making it an even smarter time to buy or refinance. And those closing cost credits, they can cover a significant chunk of your costs, making your home purchase or refinance a little bit more affordable. So if you are thinking about buying and been on the fence about maybe refinancing, now is the time to call your lender and ask about those lender credits. Of course, I would love to help. So if you want my help with this, reach out and let's see how much you can save.